Hello everyone, I'm Soumya Agarwal. I'm presently associated with Inspire Study Circle Guwahati as a geography faculty. Based on my teaching experience at premier institutions in Dehradun and Delhi, I would like to share my insights on this with you. Let us briefly first discuss about the geography optional syllabus. Very concisely, geography optional paper 1 is associated with theoretical concepts of geography and associated with parts of world geography. On the other hand, geography optional paper 2 is entirely based on Indian geography. Let us see how geography optional can be helpful. Firstly, geography optional has a concrete syllabus. Secondly, it is a scoring optional. Thirdly, I would like to say that if you score good in the optional, it can also help you enhance your rank. This was about the theoretical aspect. Now let us also see how it can help you practically. After being chosen as an officer, if you are posted in an area which is flood prone or drought prone, but you have an idea of the geography of the area, you will be able to make better policies and get them implemented in a better manner. Similarly, if you are as an officer placed in an area which has a mix of agricultural and industrial activities and you are asked to make a water policy, as the DM, you will have to make water allocation policies, and if you are aware of the geography of the area, you will be able to do it better. This was all about how geography can be helpful. Now let us also see how geography optional can help you with your preparation of general studies mains examination. In the general studies paper 1, geography is a major part. So you will be able to deal with those questions in a better manner. Secondly, in general studies paper 2, the international relations portion will require you to have an understanding of world geography and world maps. So geography optional can help you there. Thirdly, in the paper 3, you will be able to deal with questions of ecology and environment and certain other aspects from the economic geography part of the optional. It can also help you with your essays because you can also take out pointers and use them in your essays. Now this was about how it can help you in your mains, but it will also help you with your preliminary examinations. Firstly, there will be questions which will come directly from geography. For that, you can also check out our Inspire Study Circle Facebook page. Then there can also be questions from ecology and environment and map-based questions where geography optional can be helpful to all of you. This was all about the geography optional. Inspire Study Circle is providing the first 3 classes for geography optional free. Come join me and I will make geography easy for you. Signing off, Soumya Agarwal. Thank you.